news that you have been hearing. But the Lord says, before the end of today, let the bad news be reversed by fire. Let that good news enter your phone. Let it enter your phone. Your WhatsApp. Your loudest amen. Are you carrying your transition note? Today I ask you to bring your transition note. Are you carrying your transition notes? Pull out your transition note. Quickly. Pull it up. Pull out your transition note. If you don't have a transition note you are on, you can write one right now. Transition note is that you are moving from one level to another level. Where you are now and where you are going to, you are transitioning yourself. All this transition that these funeral people have carried and make it look like it's a bad word. Transition